Hi guys.
Hi.
It's Lydia.
And it's Alma.
This is just a quick video just to address what's going on with the whole
H&M.
H&M. How dare they let a black girl show their 4C
Oh my god.
in its natural state. Like, this is a
Can you believe it?
This is an apocalypse.
No, get back here. I ain't going nowhere, okay? No one.
She's inspired us to actually
She
show
is
it.
actually, look.
Sometimes when we wake up, this is how our hair looks.
This is our messy bun, okay? Okay?
If anyone else had their looser curls, straight hair, whatever, and they just put it up in a bun, their hair would not be talked about. It would not be threads about her hair.
Exactly.
But, you know, when we do it, our hair is not going to lay gently on our necks or have these little coils and stuff like that.
Gravity loves us most, and this is just what happens. There's different types of edges. There's loose edges, there's wavy edges, and there's also kinky edges. They're not represented.
Not enough. And we realized, like, we thought that 4C hair was being more accepted, and like this whole thing has made us realize we have a lot of work to do.
A lot of movement. She has done the most biggest movement ever, and that's
just
edges.
Being herself is a movement. Can you imagine how insane
she
that is?
She just came back, I think, after school, and she just want to take her photo shoots.
I can get there's a whole separate situation with a lot of big brands when they have black models. They do not have our foundations. They don't have any stylist that can do our hair, or our hair comes out messy. The lighting is bad. So there are industry issues with black people taking pictures and blah blah blah. But this is separate. The brief was to have kids come in with their hair like, you know, in a untamed state, I guess, or is a messy shoe. There's some theme about it. And yeah, she just showed up. All the kids showed up with kind of bed hair, I guess. And her hair was the one that was talked about the most. And I think it's so important to realize that, like, we've had so many hurtful comments from our own black people, and sometimes we can't blame them because it's internalized. Like, this started way back. But the way I see my life is, at one time we were forced to cover our hair because it was too intimidating for them. Like, this is a white supremacist issue, like way back when our hair is too powerful and it's a statement and people don't like it. Like in California, they just passed a law
for
natural hair to be worn.
I just want to get my check with my dollars. I can't even get a job because of my hair. Seriously? Seriously? Got bills to pay. I ain't got time to be thinking about my hair. I just want to be me. You know?
I'm not my hair. Y'all sing it. Nope. I'm not your ex. There's some crazy tweets. Like, we're gonna quickly read these tweets that we saw.
The one tweet was like, this conversation about this little black girl hair shows me how badly the natural hair movement go hijacked, and how y'all still hate natural hair for real. Black women with 4C gonna have to just create a whole another movement because this is just thriftling.
Trifling.
Oh, trifling.
So yeah, that's another thing. Maybe we have to start our own movement.
Yeah.
I know y'all don't know what 4C hair look like, and that's not y'all fault. The media has made the natural hair movement look like a specific kind of way. But 4C hair doesn't swoop, it doesn't lay, it doesn't cascade in springy curls. Sometimes by 4:30, it just looks like that picture. And like, this is the thing, it's just true, and there's too much pressure. Like, I still have moments when I go out and I'm like, oh my god, my hair shrunk, my edges have given out, and I don't feel tidy sometimes, but I force myself to just keep going because it's just hair.
It's just hair.
And
I mean, I think
insane.
another movie, what was Sanaa Lathan? She goes swimming. See how she always wanted to straighten her hair and stuff. She was little, like that scarred her, so she's always wearing her hair straight, but now she could finally swim. So that's even a movement.
Our hair affects our life decisions. Like, I'll never get in the pool because of that. Like, what? I'm not swimming because of this? Like, no. And I think as well, there's a case of like safetiness. Like, when you naturally, your edges lay and you have looser curls, I feel like it's a more safety thing. Like, wow, I can still look presentable. Like, this stuff goes in deep. All we want to say is congratulations to that girl for loving and being yourself. Please don't change. Please understand that people have a lot more to learn. You did nothing wrong by being yourself. You actually started something. You started this conversation, the movement. We are here to back you onto Lydia and Alma. We are knocking your ass. Have a good look. Have a real good look. Cause y'all gonna be seeing more of this. And again, don't feel guilty if you want to lay your edges. There's nothing wrong with it. The point is, if you don't, you should not be criminalized and told all these kind of things. Because Twitter was like, this is embarrassing. Oh, H&M just always want to show us up. What's wrong with the child's parents? I actually rate the parents, because that means that they are allowing their child to feel beautiful about their hair, rather than, you know, sometimes our own parents can be the ones to tell us our hair looks horrible, don't do that. But that, you have to understand, that even comes from a place of being presentable, get the job. Like, these are things that we are changing. Yeah, it's a lovely day. Alright, so make sure you follow us on Instagram at Lydia and Alma. Subscribe, encourage your 4C friends to come to our channel, because we will be putting up more content and teaching you guys how to unlearn all this nonsense about edges.
Nonsense, real
because
nonsense.
this is reality.
We coming in the media. This is just the beginning, bro.
Yeah, you gonna see how things are good.
Girls, play that contract. Come on, keep up.
I'll make a coin.
Yeah. Make a coin, man.
Coming out.
Why you hating? Oh, seriously.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.